Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to see most recent posts on Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook mobile application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. By default, the app will open to the home feed section where it will show you posts that you may like, but it's all based on its algorithm and what you like or watch. It's not the latest content. What you will to do is to tap on the little menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll get to this page. When you are on this page, you will see all shortcuts section. Now click on the little feeds button. The feeds button should be at the very top. When you click on it, it will open this page where all of your Facebook posts are set in a chronological order. So you'll see the most recent posts that your friends or people you follow share on the platform. As you can see, this is published recently, and other posts are from a couple of minutes ago. You also have different categories on the top, like the friends, groups, and other stuff. When you click on them, they will also be in a chronological order. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.